Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to give you a quick simple recipe for some healthy fried chicken strips. Stay tuned. And now our ingredients. First is chicken breast, almond flour, and then 4 eggs. After that is our seasonings. These are optional, but first black pepper, garlic powder, adobo, paprika, don't add this if you don't want it spicy, some Mr. Stash grilled blend, and finally cayenne peppers. Don't add that either if you don't want it spicy. Set your oven to 375 degrees. Do this first. By the time you get everything ready, the oven's already heated. Next, wash your meat. For this recipe, I'm only using 3 chicken breasts. After that, you can cut your chicken breast into chicken strips. So if you want large chicken strips, cut large pieces. If you want small nugget size, cut small nugget size pieces. Warning, if you're not good with a knife, please be careful. I don't want you complaining, oh, cut my finger off trying to do your recipe. This is your one right now, just be careful, guys. Add some eggs. This is going to help your batter stick to your chicken. And now we're going to make our batter. We're adding our seasonings right now. Please be careful, like I said, if you don't want it spicy, please don't add certain seasonings. But please add seasonings that you like. You don't want dry chicken. It's going to taste horrible. And no, I'm not measuring how much seasoning I'm putting into it. I cook from the soul with seasoning. That's just something I personally do. If you want to measure it, feel right ahead. You can do it if you want. Now I'm going to add the almond flour. This is the most important part of the batter. At first I did 60 grams, but then I wasn't enough, so I added 30 more grams after. And don't worry, you're not going to taste an almond flavor when you have your chicken breast. I know a lot of people are scared about that. Oh, I don't want the almond taste to it. No, you're not going to taste it. Now spray your non-stick cooking spray onto your cooking pan. And finally, start making the magic. First, you want to dip the chicken breast into the eggs and then into the batter. Get a nice little coating of the batter onto it and then place it on your cooking tray. You're going to then repeat this process for all your chicken strips. After you're finished, it should look like this. It should be a consistency in all the chicken strips, and then place it in the oven. Once it's finished, it should look something similar to this. Now for the taste test. And now finally for the taste test, guys. They look a little funny, but they have consistency sort of a fried chicken. So we can see how it is. I cut a nice little piece for myself. Look at that chicken strip right there. The flavors, the little cayenne peppers. Tasting them right now. No sauce needed, guys. If you try this recipe out, please let me know. If you have recipes you want me to try, please leave them below. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?